Guys, how's it going? Sorry there for the delay. People are like, he's late. Crayfish is late. It started already. It's 9 o'clock. Where is he? Well, I was just getting a drink real quickly, I was getting a drink real quickly in my awesome new mug that you guys all know about. Well, I hope you guys know about it. If maybe you don't know about it. Well, I got a brand new mug, and I'll show it again just in case you weren't here for the live streams during the week, because I'm pretty sure if you were here last weekend, maybe I think I made the meme last weekend, but that's my mug. That's my mug. I'm actually gonna put this in front of me because yesterday I literally hit almost a coffee off my desk onto the carpet, which would have been so bad. What's going on with my phone here? We just got a notification for a video on YouTube. But yeah, welcome back to another device mod development today, guys. As always, if you guys are excited for this live stream today, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button. And as well, I'm doing shoutouts again, so go to my Twitter profile, follow me there, and then retweet the latest tweet that says retweet for a shoutout. Then right at the end of this live stream today, I'll be shouting your guys' names out. But what we are doing today is, I don't know. It's up to you guys today what we are doing. So I'm actually going to create a straw poll straight off the bat here. Straight off the bat, because there's a couple of things we could do, right? There's a couple of things we could do. One is create more icons, which has been very, very fun so far. I've really enjoyed these creating icon live streams because I want to implement more. We've still got a massive list to do, so maybe we can do some more. Another one is we start implementing color schemes into the laptop. So that's another thing we can do. Another one is get this ready for a server, because right now the mod isn't ready for a server. And if you weren't here yesterday, I announced that I'm actually starting up a test server, and I've got some more information for you guys on how you can actually be a part of it, because it's not something that's open. I'm going to say that right now. It's not going to be open. You've got to be a developer, because this is a test server. It's mainly for actually testing out the mod, finding bugs in it. So it's going to be a closed server. So you're going to be a developer as well. And yeah, I'll do some more. I'll give you guys some more info later on, all about that. So yeah, we can basically do some more icons. Get this ready for a server. What else can we do? We can do some app development, but I'll quickly create a straw poll right now. Strawpoll.me. I would like to see a locking system added personally. More icons. Hold up, let me get this poll working. More icons. Color scheme system. And then create poll. Alright, here we go. Poll coming in. Go ahead and vote. Go ahead and vote right now. Alright, while that's waiting, it looks like get mod ready for a server. So basically what's consisted in that is making sure that the applications that are installed on a server can't be installed on, or like when you join a server, it will only allow you to have the applications which are on the server, not the ones that you've installed yourself on a client side. So it looks like the poll is leaning towards getting the mod ready for a server. Alright, didn't think it would be that, but I think that's what you guys want. Get mod ready for a server. And then I've already kind of started it. I'm going to say that right now. I've kind of already started it. Right now, I'm actually currently syncing up all the applications to the client. So basically we're getting a list of all the applications And to the client, let's get rid of that catch. That should be all good. So that's syncing it now. Next, we've got to actually make it so in the list of all the applications, it doesn't have the ones that aren't installed on a server. So let's say you add one on your client side, like an extra app on your one. That's not going to show up in when you join a server that doesn't have it enabled. Now, there might be some options where applications might... I don't know if that's going to be possible, actually. Where applications might... I have to do some more verifying. I'm going to have to write this down, actually. Notepad. Verify. Hold up. You guys won't understand. The captioning folder is from legit. From legit application. So many to-dos. To-do 3. I just got like a massive text list that I just have, and I just go through them all. It's kind of a little bit ridiculous. The logo on the right side of your head looks like a fallopian tubes. Wait, hold on. What's that? Oh god. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. It's the Go-To Gaming logo. Go-To Gaming. The latest and greatest source for all your Australian and international gaming news. Plug, hashtag plug, Crayfish plugin is sold out. Can anyone send me a link on Mr. Crayfish PE videos? I didn't do any Pocket Edition videos. I mean, I have. Only tutorials though, Redstone tutorials. My laptop is really bad and can't run your mods. Dang, dude. Well, hopefully you can get a new laptop one day so you can actually run the device mod, because we all know the device mod is flippin' sick. And if you guys or you're excited for this live stream, or you're enjoying it so far, go ahead and post a cheese emoji in the chat right now. Go ahead and post a cheese emoji. Hey, Mr. Crayfish, how's your arm? Yeah, it's doing good. I've currently got it covered up at the moment with my jumper, but it's there. I got a cast on, but it's doing good. It's getting a lot better now. Like, compared to the first week, I couldn't pick up anything with it. I couldn't really do anything with it. It was literally like dead body weight, but now like it's a lot better. It still hurts to pick up some things. I can't pick up everything, but I can pick up things I wasn't able to before, which is really good. But yeah, it's doing good. I'm really, I'm happy now. I'm a bit more happier now. It was a little bit annoying the first couple of weeks, not being able to do a lot of stuff. Retweet for a shout out. Yep, go ahead, do that, everybody. Retweet for a shout out at the end of the live stream. Now, if you guys didn't get your shout out in the previous live stream, unfortunately, what Twitter does is it only shows like the latest 25, I think 20 retweets, I think. So there was a little bit of a problem with that, but hopefully maybe this time you'll get a shout out if I missed you yesterday. Damn, you guys are excited. We got a ton of cheese. We got a ton of cheese emojis in the chat right now. We got a ton of cheese emojis in the chat right now. I have hopefully done this, but I think I turned Notepad++ into an IDE. Do you have any suggestions for good Java IDEs? IntelliJ. IntelliJ, there you go. Pretty easy. The one that I'm using right now. We need to fix this up. I kind of, didn't get this exactly ready for the actual live stream, but we should be Gucci in the Louis store right now. We should be Gucci in the Louis store. There we go. All right, easy. Boom. Done. The ting goes. Tell the man's not hot. Ha. I said, babes, man's not hot. Man can never be hot. Perspiration. Ting. Links effect. To cause the conspiracy. Gotta cause the conspiracy. Yeet! Alright. Let's get into this. Let's stop talking about memes. Free Shivakadu! The free Shivakadu. Alright, let's get into this now. Just random stuff. I'm just randomly, free Shivakadu. I think we need the free Shivakadu. Literally, we should import the free Shivakadu, convert the guacamole into a front-end banana that will take the banana. We use that banana, right, and the free Shavakadu. That will create a connection between the avocado and mango. I'm just talking nonsense. Alrighty. Alrighty then. Alrighty. Alright, so we've synced up the apps. What we've got to do now is I want to re-implement a way I want to re-implement the settings app, because basically in the settings app I want to make it so you can do an option to display all apps. Now this only counts for the development version of the mod, that it will show all applications, because pretty much if you're in the development version you should be able to get every single app straight off the bat, no matter if you have to, use the app store to download it. You should just be able to get every app by default, no hassles. So we're going to re-implement the actual app, or the settings app that we had before. Now, if you guys are a device API developer and you haven't joined the Discord here, there is a link below. Now, I do want to reiterate what I said yesterday. Make sure you're posting in the right channel. I actually added some off-topic channels here, so if you want to talk anything about the live stream here, pretty sure a ton of people were posting like free Shavakadu. Some guy turned his monitor actual left to the right so I could actually see if it looked like a wine cup. Who remembers the wine cup? Who remembers that wine cup? But we've got like memes, images, general, so anything about live streams, or you want to post memes, do it in here. These ones are all for the device API. So only post stuff relating to the device API. So we got kind of general discussion, suggestions for the API, support for the API, screenshots maybe about your applications that you're creating using the API, and then maybe you got some app ideas that you want to share. Other users, can use these and create their own applications out of them. So yeah, just so you guys know. So, but yeah, there's an invite link in the description below if you aren't actually a part of the Able Discord server. In the app market, can you sell apps for emeralds? Yeah, that's basically how it will work. I mean, you won't get those emeralds. It will just be like, there'll be a price for an application, it gets sold, people buy it for that. It could be like 20 emeralds to buy an app, but it's not real money. Alright, message sync applications. Let's make sure we're on the... Well, I think we're on the right branch. Let me just bring up GitHub here so we know what we're doing. Mr. Crayfish Cup, I want to buy it. I love it. It's not a Mr. Crayfish Cup. It's a Mr. Crayfush Cup. Replace the A with an E. Replace the I with a U. Mr. Crayfush. Crayfush. That's Mr. Crayfush Cup. It's the best cup ever. I'm not gonna lie. It's the best cup ever. Merch link in bio. Merch link in bio. Not really. No merch link in bio, guys. No merch link in bio. That's how I deal with it. Alright, so let's just have a look. Discard. Alright. So I've registered that. What we've got to do is in taskbar, we've got to... how can we do this? Okay, I know how we can do it. Hold up. Did we ever... Alright. Application. And then return application at nullable. Return null. Basically, I had to convert the registration here method to use the proxy instead. So basically, there was a problem when you loaded this up on a server that an application class is a part of GUI, which isn't available on the server side. So it was loading up classes that didn't exist. So I'm now using my proxy to actually register applications, and it's good because I can handle what happens when you register it on a client side and what happens when you register it on a server side, which is really good. Why no merch, man? I don't know why I don't know. I just got no merch. I has no merch. Who would like to see merch? Like I never really like got into it because I've never like, I mean, I don't want to handle it. That's the thing. But then when I have it like go off to like another, like I have like it go off to another company. Oh, I mean, regardless, it would go off to another company even if I bought them. So I don't know. I'm not really like. I don't know. I mean, if you guys really want it, then I'll do it. But like, I'm not like really fussed with setting up a merch store, really. But actually, now that I say that, I kind of wanted to I did actually want to set one up because I'm trying to get some designs from my friend. I think he might be. I don't know if he's watching still. But I was trying to get I've got my friend doing some designs. On, because I wanted to have like Sir Piggles shirts. I wanted to have Young Greg shirts, some Mr. Crayfish shirts, just a couple of designs, nothing crazy. And just have them available. And if you really want merch, you can go ahead and buy it. But I'm not fussed. I'm not really fussed. Add VR capabilities. I don't think VR would be coming. It's way too difficult. Way too difficult. I wish I could be a dev, but MC Forge never loads. I searched up why it doesn't work, but never found out why. Any suggestions on what to do? Are you trying to set up a development environment or just setting up Forge alone? Can I donate even though I'm in the UK? If you use the link below, you should be able to donate with any sort of currency that you want. If you guys didn't know, I actually set up Streamlabs finally, which allows you guys to actually finally be able to donate, because obviously somebody right now just asked, can I donate? But yeah, there's a link down below if you guys are interested in donating. It's only if you really want to. If you guys are just here, you've subscribed, you got post notifications on, you're contributing to chat, that's all I need, dude. That's all I need. But donation is that kind of one step further. And it also reads out your message on the screen as well. So if you actually write something with the donation, it will actually be read out on the screen automatically. Couple of people have done it so far, which is pretty cool. So they've had their messages played during these live streams today. Now I'm going to get some music real quickly. Let's open that up. Get some music going because it's a little bit dead in here. It's a little bit dead. Just going to make sure that the levels are all good. Let's make sure it's all good. Hold up. Alright, we Gucci. Alright, music is all sorted now. Let's try and get 0 dislikes. Yeah, someone stream botted us yesterday with some dislikes, which is kind of funny. Did nothing. I'll tell you right now, it did nothing. Yesterday was like our most successful live stream, which is good. So thank you guys for the ton of support yesterday. Let me know if you were here yesterday for yesterday's live stream, because that was pretty fun if you ask me. That was pretty fun if you ask me. We had a lot of fun designing a bunch of icons, and I should show you that to you guys real quickly. Do you guys want to take a look at the icons we designed yesterday? Because they're flipping awesome. They are flipping awesome. But yeah, what I'm going to do real quickly is let's commit that real quickly, because I want to do that as its own sort of single commit. Registering application now returns its instance. Boom. There we go. Was that into core? Yeah, it was. Alright, good. I was here. Yeah, we got a ton of people. It was a really fun time yesterday. We had a 4-hour live stream, which was crazy, you know. I wanted to treat you guys. So we had a super duper long live stream. We had people which were there from the start, which is crazy. So thank you to those people who were there for the whole entire live stream. And even if you were just there, thank you for coming along. Sadly, I can't be here every day due to the time zones. Isn't it like 8 PM in Australia? It's like 9:22 PM right now. What time is it where you guys are from? Where are you guys from? What country? What's the time? And what is your favorite food? Gotta add in that extra one. Alright, so we need to do something here. Public static application set settings. Alright, there we go. And then we're gonna do in regular, we're gonna do this right at the start here. Application manager, register application, new resource location. Settings. Oh. My arm just feels so sore still. I mean, my arm's still very sore. Just like, you know, this is a Christian server. Oh god. Alright, let's have a look where people are from. 5:53 pizza, Poland, 12:50 p.m. or a.m. It's 4:53 Bangladesh, Alaska, Sweden, the Netherlands, and favorite food is pancakes. Damn, I love pancakes. I love pancakes. Someone says England is my city. What the flip? England is my city. They didn't really, but I just made that up. Anyone live in England, the good city? That's a good city. I'm not gonna lie. England is a good city. Anyone live in England? France? Seeds? Oh no, Leeds. Sorry. I said seeds. Leeds. 5 minutes until midday. Very specific. Very specific, you ask me. USA of America. That doesn't even make sense. United States. Oh no, it does. United States. Oh no, it doesn't even make sense. United States of America of America. I live in England. That's a good city. I love it. To bring me down, but I stay to the finish line. I might actually change how this works. Instead of returning an instance of it, we will have like a settings core settings private boolean show all. Set show ILAPS get is share all apps. Been counting days to get away. And then we're gonna have a public static settings from tag public void to tag return new return null. Actually, we'll just say they're not implemented yet. So this is where we'll have like just like a bunch of settings for everything. So you'll be able to like find the get current wallpaper. There'll be more settings as we add them. The US for me is America. I live in America. Ugh. Stretch my arm. Stretch my arm. My broken claw. My broken claw. Yeah, I live in England. England actually is my city. Australia favorite food. Toaster, cheese, and tomato sandwiches. Dang. Hey Cray, I just came. What have you done? Haven't done anything yet. Did you guys want to check out the icons? I don't remember ever looking at what you guys said. I guess we're going to check it out anyway real quickly. Let's see what you guys like about it. And we crashed. What's crashing here? Whoops, alright. It's gonna be public, apparently. It's gonna be public, apparently. Please snap that like button right in half. You heard the guy. Snap that like button right in half, guys. Show your support for this live stream. Let me know you're enjoying it right now. And also turn on those post notifications so you can get notified when these live streams go up. Because I streamed all this week. Guys. That's pretty crazy. Every single day I live stream. So big ups to me. Big ups to me. Alright, so we're going to check out these icons that we all created yesterday because we created a ton of them. But here they all are. So pretty much from yesterday we created from here. Look how many icons we created. We created 23 new icons. So we got a mail icon, bell, which I want to fix up a little bit. I've got an idea for it. We got a lock, unlock, a key, Wi-Fi, so we got high, medium, low, Wi-Fi none, play, stop, pause, previous, next, information, which is like personally one of my favorite icons. Let me know which one is your favorite icon that you see right here. We got the warning, error, volume on, mute, or volume off, I should say. Star off, star half, star on, and then a chat icon. But yeah, these other ones here, we got arrows, we got check, cross, plus, import, export, new file, new folder, load, copy, cut, clipboard, save, trash, rename, edit, search, reload, home. We got a ton of them. Someone said I donated. Okay, cool. It should come up soon if you donated. We'll see it in a second here if it's coming up. Alright, let's have a look. I like the warning. Yeah, the warning's dope. I think the warning's dope as well. I definitely agree with you there. The warning icon, the error icon, and the information icon are pretty dope icons if you ask me. They're pretty dope icons. Just saying I have post notifications, but it doesn't want to tell me when it starts. Okay. That's a little bit annoying if you ask me. Because they implemented that specifically, you know, to notify when stuff goes live, when videos go up, and if they don't work, then they're not doing their job. It's not doing its job. It was supposed to help combat the subscription system, but it doesn't work. I can't decide. They're also good. Dang. The cheese icon is the best. I like the bell. Yeah, the bell's alright. I don't really. Yeah, okay, whatever. You can like the bell. I'll let you like the bell. But yeah, my favorite is like the home button. I think that's good. I like the help, the warning, and the error icons are pretty good. These icons are good. They're all really good. And I just noticed something that I gotta fix up on these two icons. I stuffed up the shading at the top there. I'll fix them up though. But all pretty good. What else we got? File management icons. Not sure what. Gonna have to go with the full Wi-Fi. Nothing better than full Wi-Fi. Yeah, I like that too. I know. I like warning. My computer said you are live, and my phone goes off with the same message. Wi-Fi none is cool. Yeah, I definitely like the Wi-Fi none. I like that one. And I like the lock, because I like the locks as well. I think they're good. But they're all good. You know. I like these. I like that. I like all of them. I like them all. Alright. Alright, guys. Let's Get out of that. We should see settings app now again. So that is back in action, just without any wallpapers at all. But we'll fix that up. And then this will now be public or private. I think. This dot settings equals settings get tag compound settings. So that's that. We're also going to change this to app. Change this to system application, and then now we've got like access to more things now. This is not something that's available in APIs, just so you guys know. You can't even extend it like this. Get rid of that. We'll create a new method. Get settings. There we go. This kind of boring, Cray, as much as I like your channels. Well, this is coding, this is different. A lot of people enjoy watching it. If you don't enjoy it, I mean, yeah, that's that. I don't think that guy's donation ever went through, or even did he donate? We'll check. Check it. You tell me it's boring and you repeat your message twice. Obviously you're trying to get across to me. By writing a negative comment. Alright, yeah. No donation. What editor do I use? I use IntelliJ. Let's have a look. Was that God? Oh God. Oh jeez. Alright. I don't know what you guys do. Just a lot of oh my God. Yeah, careful with the warnings, guys. We got moderators out. make sure you guys don't post in the wrong chats in the Discord. Because we will be dishing out warnings if you guys do post, or if you continue to post in the wrong channel. I enjoy chillaxing with stream peeps. Yeah, that's what a lot of people like doing. Like, I mean, sometimes like a lot of people don't know what I'm doing in code, right? But they just, you know, enjoy hanging out. They find it interesting, but they don't necessarily know what's going on. If you're one of those people, let me know. So we got the settings going here, and then in our application settings here, we just now got to do, you know, whatever we want. So we're going to create a checkbox equals new checkbox. What's this going to be called? Show. Set click listener. Then we'll do laptop. Well, it's just actually settings. Set show all apps checkbox start is selected. And then we'll do checkbox dot set selected checkbox. Oopsie, hold up. Settings dot is show all apps. Super dot add checkbox. We're gonna get rid of that. Alright, so that's all Gucci. There's Gucci. Now what we've got to do inside a taskbar is I think it's where is it? Render for applications that size info. Alright, so if Mr. Crayfish proxy get allowed applications contains info, might have problems. If allowed apps equals null, return empty list. What even is an empty list? Oh. Empty list. Guess you can't do anything with it at all. Yeah, alright, easy. So that should work. Because like people wanted me to add in all the other applications as well. So like all these ones. Mainly these ones only. We might have to add in as well these ones. Otherwise they're not going to work. Just split them up into categories there. I want to move these differently. I want to change where these are actually registered. And instead, oh no, it can't be registered in application. I have to figure that out. What is this called again? This is called... Didn't I call it something like what did I call it? Bank. I don't know, whatever. Core. Alright, so it should now display all the applications, well the main ones that we use. And we go ahead and load this up. And we'll make sure that this works as well. By just setting up some test cases. What are you doing today? I wasn't here at the start. Pretty much we're working on getting this mod ready for a server because right now I'm currently working towards getting a test server set up. Now this is going to be a closed group of people. You're going to have to be a developer as well, unfortunately. Unfortunately going to have to be a developer because you know, that's just how I feel like things should go. I want to make sure I have trusted people on this server as well. It's not going to be open, as I said. It's going to be a closed group. So I need to make sure I have trusted people on this that aren't going to, you know, muck around and not do what the whole purpose for the test server is, to basically test it out. You know, it is like a bit of, you know, it can be used for a little bit of play, but also, you know, playing with it to discover bugs. So you can build a house, you can build you can build a house in it, you can have your laptop in it, but obviously the main focus is to like use that actual laptop. Update for public, not device API plus. You should put the link to the regular public mod in downloads. I'm not putting anything out right now because it's buggy. It's not ready for a release yet. What I want to do before the next release is, you know, what was the one thing I wanted to do? There was something important that I wanted to do. But as you can see now, it's not doing it. It's not doing it right. Alright, what was wrong with this? I think I know why. Client proxy still needs to do a super. We should just do actually. Oh no, I can't do that actually, that's wrong. Maybe just super. Just figuring out where to do this. Because like it should only be used to, because basically we're getting back like a null list. For me, one starts developing from wanting to create. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know nothing about programming. Lol. Alright, so we need to fix this up. Alright, so pretty much we need to make it. Well, right now it wasn't actually getting the right stuff. Wasn't getting the stuff. The good stuff. It wasn't getting the good stuff, so we're gonna make it so it gets the good stuff. Alright, so what we're gonna do instead is common proxy. Public boolean has allowed apps. Still gonna do that, oopsie. Just so we know that method will never return null. Yoink. When did I comment that out? I don't know. When did I comment that out? Ugh. Alright, so that's all good. Now we're just going to go back to taskbar here. And say... if proxy we'll say if, oh no, hold up, has allowed applications, Um, what is applications here? This should be like filtered out. We can do that. And we'll do this dot applications dot this dot application equals applications dot stream dot filter app Mr. Crayfish device mod. If Mr. Crayfish /rod proxy has allowed applications, do this. Else, just make it equal that. Return proxy dot contains app dot get info. Once this, whoopsie, no. Dot collect. There we go. It wants us to do this, but it's just super duper long now. Why you do this? That's, I think, the correct way to do it. Filter, collect. As I've seen people do it before. Let's see it. And then no longer do we have to do that, we just have to do that. Alright, stop the game. This should work now. Let's try it now. But if you guys have any suggestions for this mod, do let me know. So you can either let me know in the chat, or you can either let me know, you know, in the suggestions channel over in the device API. We've got a bunch of pixel art. Yeah, let me show you guys this real quickly. Some guy yesterday created, like, was just, I don't know what he's doing, but he was just creating like a bunch of icons. So we got a printer icon here. Someone created a camera one. Headphones. Created like underline, bold, italic, strike through. There's an hourglass, a coin, emerald, computer icon, ejector icon is gold. There's a flippin' gold. Shopping cart, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Font. We got a bunch of them. He did a ton of stuff, so I'm gonna use them a lot for inspiration. Look, he's got battery, a wrench, battery low. These are dope. These are dope. Well done, dude. Check boxes. Oh, they're like kind of like a different version of it. All right. I see where you're coming from. Globe, game controller. Oh, there's one from yesterday. Poop emoji. People want the poop emoji. Do you guys want to see the poop emoji added into the icon list, because we might do it today. We might add the poop emoji in. Alright. Sick, there's like water everywhere. Alright. Let's load this up now, and hopefully now we can actually see all of our applications. We should be able to see them. Yeah, there we go. Alright, cool. So they're all available. They should be filtered out now as well when we actually test it out. So pretty much we can restrict this to just Note Stash. We can just restrict it right to Pixel Painter. We can do anything. But obviously that won't happen because a lot of these applications will be installed by default. And we will have to fix this up as well. Hopefully we can do this. Set up applications. Machine. Do we have a method for that already? Yeah, I don't know why it's not doing it. Hold up. Public task bar. Alright, there we go. Because basically what we want to do is do taskbar, where is it here? Filter. Can we just do another filter? App. It's probably not good to do that actually. And app instance of alright, we're gonna do and miscapes device mod developer mode. So if it's developer mode, how can I do that? I'll try it out like this. So let's do this. Filter. So if I'll say if developer mode. Oopsie, if Mr. Crayfish dot developer mode. and app instance of, it doesn't equal instance of system application. What the? Hold up. What is going on here? What is going on here? It's saying... Hold up, get rid of this. Why is that? Ah, there we go. Return. And settings dot doesn't equal to show all apps. So if it's developer mode and the app is an instance of a system application and it's not show all apps, return false. Then just return this. And then apparently we can simplify. And then simplify. Super duper long. Alright, so that's that. And then what we want to do is when we click that, so on settings here, we will do get laptop, get taskbar. We're gonna do a thing here. Get not public that. Remember you. Cray, we need poop emoji. No! Yeah, alright, we'll do the poop emoji soon, guys. Looks like all you guys wanted that. What else we got here? Do the item rendering, also add the filter to the icon up so cheese can kind of be secret. Oh yeah, I know what you mean. We can do that. Obviously, you'll still be able to find it in code, but you've got to kind of look at the code. I'll try and make it as secret as I can. If you guys have got any ideas for icons, do let me know. We've already got a bunch of lists here, but maybe I haven't actually got it down. So do let me know if you want to see any more icons added to this. We've finally got that going. Now we just need to do .get. We'll do, whoopsie, laptop equals get laptop. Laptop get taskbar dot. What's wrong here? Why is that returning weird? Oh. Don't know why it's not a thing. Don't know why that's like that. Refresh. Alright, so this should work now. Let's test it out. Who's excited to see if this is gonna work? This should work. Poop emoji is coming. Yay, hourglass, social media icons. That wouldn't be bad actually. Like Facebook, Twitter, that type of stuff. Let's get that down actually. Because, you know, people might use them. So this is the whole entire list of them here that I've got down already. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. LinkedIn. Does anybody need a LinkedIn icon? Some 10-year-olds like, yeah, I need a LinkedIn. I need a LinkedIn. I run a multi-million-dollar business. I've worked with Steve Jobs. I've worked with Bill Gates. Alright, so right now it's showing all of them. Ouch. Maybe it's this. Hold on, we're gonna fix this. We got to fix this. Did I do my conditions correctly? Okay, so it has allowed applications. Ooh, okay. Alright, we need to do this differently. Do this. If has allowed applications. Damn it, I need to I need to visualize it. I need to visualize it. So let's just say it's, so if developer let's do this again. Alright. Alright. Let's do if developer mode. If developer mode, if it's not an instance of system application, then return settings dot is share all apps. Well, it doesn't want to simplify it now. And it's probably better if you have it like this. So if it's developer mode, blah blah blah, else if and this is just be return if has allowed applications return true. We still gotta check that. Whoops. Alright, there we go. And then I get rid of that. There we go. So we can see, like, if I do that, show all apps. If not, it's just gonna have settings in file browser. I should make bank a system app as well. That might be a good idea. Because I mean, it's in the system package, so it's kind of a... Alright, there we go. Reload that again. I'm watching the stream on my second monitor while coding my app. Nice, dude. What are you currently developing? Because I know you're from the actual server. I feel you should rename the social media icons to Craybook, Critter, and Crawtube. Add keyboard shortcuts to control apps. You can do that already. I mean, like, I could add in like a system default type stuff. Like, there could be like how to close an application. Say maybe you want to close an application quickly. Control Q. I mean, that won't work actually. That will actually close your real window, I think. Oh, no, it doesn't. Alright, we can implement that. So there we go, that's all working. And then we can do show overlaps. 'Cause of you. Let's fix up this here real quickly. We got a little wrench icon. You make me move. Alright, we're gonna test out real quickly. Will this system work? You make me. I'm going to go for lunch. Alright, see you later, King Yoshi. Just got a Discord notification and dropped everything to watch. Dude, dedication right there. Dedication right there. That's what everybody should be like. Hint, hint. Hint, hint, everybody. That's what you should be like. Drop everything. Toilet. Yoshi. 10 by 10 Yoshi. Add pizza emoji. A good suggestion is add a monitor. Oh, because of you. What's it? I did some filming today, right? Not for my YouTube channel. I did some filming, just like, you know, because I got a new I didn't get a new camera. I did get a new camera, but not my main DSLR or my. I'm currently using my webcam, but my DSLR is just under it. But I got a new camera and I was doing some filming tonight, and the silly me, I forgot to I don't know what it was. Maybe it was just because of the settings I had it on, because I shoot with manual settings. I shoot with manual settings, and pretty much a lot of the footage came out blurry because I don't think I focused it correctly. I don't think I focused it correctly, so I gotta try and, when I do filming next time, just, you know, always ensure that I'm focusing correctly. It's really hard. You can't tell on the application because if you're wondering what the actual camera I got is, it's a DJI Osmo Plus. DJI Osmo Plus. It's really cool. It is really cool. I mean, I bought a DJI Ronin. It's good for my DSLR, but I wanted something a little bit more handheld, something good for traveling. So I bought this one, and it's dope. It's like very similar results. Plus, it can shoot 4K. It can shoot 100 frames per second at 1080p. That's insane. Cause like I edit all my videos. I edit all my videos at it depends on the region. I mean, it doesn't even matter for internet anymore, but if you're broadcasting, it does matter. But it can either, if I'm shooting at basically 100 frames per second, I can slow that down 4 times to 25% of the original speed, which is insane. And it really makes for some dope edits. Maybe I'll show you guys in the future some of the videos, because I'm creating one at the moment, which is really cool. Maybe I'll show you in the future. Maybe I won't. Show you guys what I do, kind of, you know, in my own time a little bit. I've been waking up at 3:30 in the morning for a week to watch the stream. Dang, dude! You got, like, seriously, you would have to have, like, a mental, like, a sleeping pattern now to wake up for this live stream. That's crazy, dude. I love your dedication. I love your dedication, dude. That is actually crazy. Alright, so we're going to test this out real quickly. According to my, knowledge, here in my garage, if I go into the proxy, And let's just do it in here. It doesn't have to be anything special. We'll just do it in post initialize, whatever. Allowed apps equals new array list. Don't have to be anything fancy. Let's just go this dot set. Wait, not set. Add new app info. New resource location. Is our, because system applications are always going to be on there. Okay, we better add a check for this. Oh no, okay, so and if it has allowed applications and app doesn't equal to, is that really, does that all really? It can't be right. Return. If app instance of system application return true. If developer mode alright, and if it's not developer mode, else if proxy has allowed applications that. Alright, that should be better. Go back to here. And let's say the only application that will be available as note is CDM note underscore stash. Alright. It's the formatted ID. Oh no, that's right, don't worry. Whoop. Yeah, I'm nocturnal now, so thanks. I guess. Cray, I'm developing my game while watching this. What are you developing? Cray, what's your birthday? It actually passed already. It was the 29th of October. If I want to make a program for this, do I have to use IntelliJ or can I use Eclipse? You can use either. I just use IntelliJ and I use them for the tutorials. So if you are watching the tutorials, you will have to know, you know, kind of, I mean, it'll be very, very similar. Just keyboard shortcuts and that type of stuff might be a little bit different. Alright, there we go. No! Oh no, it's because it's, we're in developer mode, so it's not gonna, it's gonna show us all the apps anyway. Alright, dope. What we're gonna do is make the settings application wider. Let's commit What is this song? How do you set it up in Eclipse? I'm not doing tutorials on Eclipse. It's exactly the same. If you're familiar with Eclipse and you know how to attach external libraries, external jars into the compile path, you're gonna be fine. Make system-wide controls menu in the settings that devs use. Oh no, this is the bad song. Oh no, whoopsie. Hold up, got Spotify open. Yeah, this is a good song. Cray, when is your birthday? I just said that. I literally just said that 2 seconds ago. Alright. Client. It goes off the end, but I don't care. Alright. Hold up. Let's get rid of that. I mean, from my understanding, it should work. If there's bugs, we'll fix them up. Commit? I'm committed. I'm committed. Will you guys marry me? I'm committed. I mean. Free Shavakadu. Let's have a look what you guys are doing on Discord. None of you guys are saying, check Discord. Check Discord. Add a pizza emoji. I want to make an application for the mod. Do I have to use... I've already answered that. Stream. Alright. 29th of September. It's already passed. Shouldn't you put show programs app in the settings menu? I literally just did that. I literally just did that. We're just going to fix up the settings icon. Settings, and then icon for it. We're gonna extract it. Files, save as. Someone created a good looking wrench. Hold up, let's check it. Here's some suggestions. Let's have a look, see if I can find it. Wrenchy wrench. Okay. That's not bad actually. What do you guys think of that one? It's a bit better than what I got already. I want to do like copy their style of Ah, whatever, leave it like that for now. Alright, so that should be fixed up. I like your wrench better. Oh god. Oh, if you're wondering, sorry, you're probably getting a little bit confused here. If you're wondering what that show all apps button is, it's only for developers. It's pretty much just a way to, like, cause I like the whole, you know, minimal design here where it doesn't have. I like the whole minimal design here when you're designing applications. Instead of being like flooded with all these applications in your taskbar, you've just got the bare basics here which you need for development. So you got settings, we got the bank, and then we got the file browser. That's all you need. That's all you need. You don't need any other fancy applications while you're developing, you know, your applications. So that's why, you know, in here, this will be for developers only, to show every other application. Now, some of you guys were saying, like, change around how this application bar works. Yeah, that will come in the future. You know, this is like the first attempt at creating something. Oh. Wow, I'm really liking the daily streams. You're making so much progress. Yeah, I am. So that's all set up there. Technically now, this is ready for a server because I know there's no other bugs because I fixed up those. This should work on a server now. So, we actually got to do some safety checking as well. We have to go into laptop, and where we have open application, we have to do if Mr. Crayfish.proxy has allowed applications, if .get contains app. If doesn't contain, return. Bit of safety checking there because someone can potentially launch up an application. They can launch up an application that is not allowed. But if I put that there, this is like the only way you can open. The applications can only open. It gets difficult after that to actually hack in and open up an application. It's not easy to do after that. Close app, don't worry about that. Fill me up with your style, like a soundtrack breathes the night. Fill me up with a plea. Alright, so that's ready for the server. That's all Gucci. I'll let you guys know maybe tomorrow what is happening with the server. We might actually have it up tomorrow. I might actually have it ready tonight. So I have to check. I mean, Oaston TV is here. So dude, I'll get in contact with you afterwards. After this live stream. And we can get this going. We can get the server set up most likely. so we can actually start testing out a bunch of stuff. Bake that beat back. So let's go ahead, let's commit that. I'll say fixed settings. Added. Alright, there we go. It would be cool to have a Windows button. You've already asked that one. And okay, have a Windows button like where it shows all the apps you have, and then you could just choose what is pinned to the taskbar. Yeah, that's a good idea, dude. That's a good idea. Let's write that down. Let's write that down, cause you know I wanna change it around, but I haven't really got any like crazy ideas on what to do. Oh, actually, I've got a document. We should put it in that instead. Hold up. Hold up, guys. I'll bring it up here so you can see what we've already suggested. Alright, here we go. So, we've added the USB. This is what we're doing right now. The icon, oh, that's what we're doing. The icon library is what we're doing. So, what we do is... we would have the taskbar. Where's the dots? Here it is. App implement and start button. Taskbar is for pinned apps. Pinned apps only. There we go. So that's a good idea. Yeah, so we're doing this right now. Passcode system. Text fields. This is going to be good when I add that as well. Login screen, taskbar. Alright, dope. So the last part of this live stream, we're going to do some icon designing. We're going to do some icon designing. So if you guys have any dope ideas for icons, do let me know. We already have like a massive list here of things that we've got to do. But if you guys do have any more ideas, please do let me know, because... we need them. We need them. So here is all of our icons so far that we've created. I did want to actually change the colors of this around, make it better. Maybe make it these colors. Might look good. Let's have a look if that looks good or not. Maybe white. Just that, I reckon. It's just hard to read it. Maybe we make it very slight, just a little bit darker. Alright, is that better with a darker outline? Let me know if you think that's a little bit better with a darker outline. Because you can kind of, you know, read it a little bit better. We can also test it out in game to get a better idea, but do let me know if that's any better. I think we should test it out now. Nah, dude, we'll do it after live stream. I can't do it while we're on stream. Can you add a System 32 file, and if you delete it, the laptop explodes? Oh god. Maybe there'll be a config option. How do you change the libs file to make the title of your app? To change the title of your app, all you gotta do is in your resources, in your assets, in your mod ID, create the lang folder, create en_us.lang, and then just pop in the unlocalized name, which is the one you'll see in game if it hasn't got a name. Pop that in, then make go equals, and then pop in the name of it. Pretty easy. I mean, not libs. Alright, so what's on our icon list? I think we got an eject icon. What color is an eject icon? Anybody got any good idea what an eject icon color looks like? Let's do some Google imaging here. What color does it come up with mainly? It comes up with grey mainly. But do we want to do it grey, or do we want to do it like a different color? If you guys got a good idea for the color, do let me know. Alright, so we'll create like a basic shape. Let's just determine our work area here. I wanted to fix up these here. Why isn't that working? That's how it should be. White, black for eject. Because we do have a dark color scheme that we can use here. So like this. And then here. Now we're not done yet. Some of you guys are going to go off at me. We've got the bottom bit of it as well, which is like kind of like this. It's possible we do this. Let's have a look. Let's put a background here so you guys can see it better. Unless it should be a color. White, black for eject, white. What did someone do in the Discord? Because I remember somebody did one in the Discord for it. Probably down further actually. Did I skip it? I did. They did gold. That's not a bad idea. A gold eject button. How did they do theirs? Ah, okay, they actually did the shading like that. That's not a bad... That's not a bad method if you ask me. They did the shading up to there. Did this. And this over like that. Definitely a better shading method if you ask me. Ah, that's exactly what they did as well. A gold eject button. Or yellow. I like it. I like it. How about a power icon? Yeah, I've got that down on the list already. Power icon is down. So that's eject. What one haven't we done? Oh, we've done that. Cog settings, person, unit, computer, new file, new folder, yeah. Done that. Like, dislike, comment. We got a comment one already. AA Ethernet minus. We didn't have a minus one. It's so annoying because I wanted the minus here. But now we can't do that. No black was better. What else we got? Eyedropper, emerald coin. Let's not do tons of yellow stuff. Clock. Let's do a clock icon. Clock icon, yeah. This should be a fun one. A clock icon, so obviously gonna go for a grey here. Clock. I don't know if that's a good clock icon. If you got a better idea for a clock icon, add in like a red. Maybe not completely like that. Maybe the clock icon will be like this.
You want me to
Maybe we'll add like... make the outside of the clock blue and the inside white. Ah, not a bad idea. Ugh. It's just weird because it's not like a... lighter blue. The lightest, because I don't want to go outside of the... It's gonna be better than that. Clock icon. Because obviously that is really bad. We all know that's really bad. Maybe... try sand clock as the clock. It looks like an L. It looks like an L. Why does it look like an L? I like when the inside was light grey and dark color outline was good. Clock icon. Tool size. Exactly. Oopsie. Exactly. Put a dot. Ah, okay, that's a good idea actually. Why is the show sampling? My pencil, my tools are all gone weird. Hold up. Someone put a black dot there. I'm dead inside. Yeah, the black dot doesn't work in the middle of the clock. I mean, it doesn't look like a clock. Change the angle of the hands. There's not a lot I can do with the hands. That's like all I can do. I can't do that because then the hour hand doesn't look long enough. Alright, clock's a hard one. Didn't think it would be hard. Don't use black, use a shade darker. It's just it's not centered, and that's just how it is. There's no way for me to center it. Clock icon. Maybe there's a better way for us to do this. The L shape was better to me. That is the worst icon I've designed. People are just do not like it. It hurts my eyes. It's burning. Light inside, cyan on the outside. So you're saying this. Maybe this will be darker, this hand. Maybe not as dark. Maybe just darker grey. I mean, that clock's not too bad. We've designed worse. Let's have a look. That clock's good. Yeah, that's good. If you guys don't think that's a good clock, do you guys like that one? People said white and grey on the inside. We'll have a look what it looks like. What I'll do is I just copy this. Alright. Copy this, alright. Give me a sec, guys. What do you guys think's better? Or we should have a... looks weird, or more simply said, face it down right. Someone said check Discord. Yeah, no, but the thing is I can't do, that's a 16 by 16 image. Timer icon. What's a timer icon? Okay. It's still the same. I don't know. What do you guys like better? Blue one is better? The first clock was good. But what was the first clock? What was the first clock? Shade the clock? I did. The blue one is better. The first one was my favorite. Looks like the clock is bleeding. The first clock was like this. This is the first clock. Is that good? Or should it be like a... Get this. Which one? The blue one? The grey one or the cyan one? Let's decide here right now. Who is going to be the winner? The inside should be grey. What is that? That is not a clock. Grey, grey, white, cyan, blue, blue is better, white. Grey one, blue one. People are saying the grey one. Alright, straw poll in it. Straw poll in it. Cause whoops. No. Cyan. Alright, there we go. Let's see what you guys have to say about this. Whoa. White just overtook. So a lot of people are saying the white one. The white is the grey one. There's no grey option, rigged. The shading should be fixed. Yeah, I think it should be. A little bit, maybe. Make this a little bit lighter. Maybe a little bit more. Now everybody's going to change their votes around to this grey one. Hold up. Hold up. Make that a bit darker. Yes, the shading's weird on it. I mean, it looks better now, I'd have to say. Nah. Looks better like that. Yeah, I think that's good. Do you guys like it? We'll have a look in game what it looks like. But let's go ahead, let's test that out in game. I think that would be good to test it out. Let's go save. Go back into IntelliJ and add in that extra. I know, we added in eject. Alright, there we go. Slide this up. Yeah, white is the best. Do not take that out of context, because that would be very bad. We're talking about the clock color here, alright guys? Uno, go back, darker outline. Cheats. Now, did I write inject? I didn't write inject. What do you guys think? Looks good? Or should we revert back to the darker icons? Or even super dark. Might look good. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. What do you guys think of that? Or is that too dark? We could go a shade darker, or shade lighter. Not as harsh, not as contrasty. Ooh. Ooh. What do you guys think of that? Does that look better? That looks like a clock. I gotta restart. But good, but shade the inside border. We're getting somewhere. I like it. Yeah, there we go. It looks dope in there now. Have a look at that. Can we agree that's a dope? That is dope. If you guys haven't got a better color suggestion for the eject button, please let me know right now, because we'll fix it up. I think it should be, I don't think it should be gold, actually. We should have it as something else. Something more eject-like looking. Maybe just red. Red might look good. But people are saying black. Maybe we do the black. Because that would... I think it's because my shading job before wasn't that good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Eject should be yellow. Make the eject button grey. Yeah, I mean, on that background, it doesn't look good. It's just because of the background, though. If it's on a different color, it might look better. Like, it's hard to see it. Rip stream? What? It shouldn't... Hold up. What the... Are we back? Are we back? Not sure what's going on there. Are we back? It doesn't say I'm good. Hold up. This is not mine. This is not my issue. It's YouTube. I haven't dropped any frames. I haven't dropped any frames. Are we back? We good quality? 1080p? Alright, okay, we're good. The arrow itself should be red, but the rectangle maybe stay black. What do you guys think? What should we do with it? What should we do with the eject icon? What color should it be? Or should we have it red? Spell red. L-S-T-E-R. Might look pretty good at red. It looks good because it's kind of like an eject button is kind of like a, you know, this is wrong. Oh, it's not really wrong, but like... Let's go save. Yeah, it looks good as red, actually. What do you guys think? It looks good as red. I like it as red. I'm not gonna lie, I like it as red. Spell red. Spell it, everybody. Spell red. L-S-T-E-R. Alright. Red arrow, black triangle. Black rectangle, whoops. What would that look like? I don't know, do you... combination of colors? What does that look like in game? L-S-T-E-R. Yeah, I don't know about the black. You can't see it though, that's the thing. Or... right. Hold on, give me 2 secs. Give me 2 secs. Give me 2 secs. Whoops. Yeah. Saturation. Or like a darker version of the red. Red. We could just have that. Make these darker. That could work. Red. 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 I'm a dog now. Red. 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 That looks pretty good. Looks pretty good if you ask me. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good if you ask me. But that is going to end off this live stream today. We're going to be doing shoutouts right now. And if you guys haven't already, and if you have enjoyed this live stream today, go ahead, snap that like button. If you're new around here, go ahead and subscribe as well, because we're doing live streams on the dailies. On the dailies, man. Let's go ahead. Let's check the retweets here. 20 retweets. Dope, 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 dope. We got M-Coded, Hello Will, Grant, Say Nugget, Luna's Say Nugget, I think that's how you say it, Mitchell Dorwood, Marek Josephek, Al Rafid, Will, M380, Marcus, Owen Davies, Jake Crowley, Mr. Mel, Mr. Luca, Ostin TV, Guy Twig, CB Teller, Random Noob 724, Zoram Yeah, and finally King Yoshi. Oh, also, one user has not been asked to show. One user has not been asked to be shown in this view. Turn off your protected account, dude, so I can shout out your name, so you don't complain that I don't shout you out, because you're not on that list. You're not on that list because of a protected account. But that is gonna be it, guys. Oh, we got one last retweet by Husky Gaming MC. Thank you, dude. Thank you, dude. I think that's your retweet there. But thank you guys so much for your support in this live stream. Hopefully you enjoyed today. Again, snap that like button right in half, and I will see you guys later. Bye.